Now we are having if, elif, else. Okay. Now I'm changing the problem a bit. Now, if I'm also taking the brand, the enter brand of the car, enter brand. Okay. Now, the condition now I'm putting is that I will buy the car if it is less than 20 lakh, right? Or the brand of the car is, say, Mercedes Benz. Then these are the two conditions. If it is less than 20 lakh, then I can buy it. If it is not less than 20 lakh, but it is a Mercedes Benz, then I will surely buy it. Okay. So if you see here, elif, now we will use elif. That is else if. Elif means else if. If car less than 20 lakh, print buy the car. L if brand equal to Mercedes Benz. Okay. Sorry. Uh, then you give a colon and now you write print buy the car. Um, it's awesome. And the else statement is there as it is. Okay. Now if you now it is asking me for the brand also, and now if I give it Mercedes Benz, so it's saying buy the car. The price is less than 20 lakh or it may be greater than 20 lakh. But if the brand is equal to Mercedes Benz, then buy the. Okay. So basically what happens is, first of all, this if condition is checked. If this is met, if this is true, then this block of code will run and the others will not run. Right? Elif will not run, else will not run. But if this if becomes false, then it comes to the elif. If this elif is true, then this block of code will run. If elif is also false, then else will run. Okay. Now you can put a number of elifs there, right? Number of elifs. What I mean to say is you can give another elif here. Elif, elif, brand equal to, you can say BMW. Then print amazing, right? Okay. And now if I write it, now see, it's greater than 20 lakh, of course. BMW, amazing. Now, here the condition is not met. Okay, here the condition is not met, but it is met in this block. So it runs this block and this block will not run else. Okay, you need to do some examples like this and you will get to know. Okay, now we are having something called as nested if else. Okay, nested if else. Now, taking the car example only, I write if car less than 20 lakh, and now I will try to give a condition inside this if. That is what is nested if else. An if else block inside an if else block is what is nested if else. Okay. If car less than 20 lakh, now I will try to check if brand equal to BMW. Okay. Print, don't buy. Else you can buy. Else you can buy it. So this is a nested if else because I'm using if else inside if else, right? Okay, you may use this else or you may not use this else. It's your wish. So, and then I can write again else, print, don't buy. Now I enter some price. I enter the brand BMW and it says don't buy. What happens if car less than 20 lakh? This condition is met here. Now it comes to this if statement and brand is equal to BMW. That's also met. So it prints don't buy. Now this will not run, this will also not run, right? Please try to understand it. Now inside this if also you can give another if. You can give another if. Suppose you ask for, okay, you take an x variable equal to 34. If x less than 45, print awesome. Just an example, simple example. So it's saying awesome, right? So any number of if statements you can use, that is nested if else, using if else inside if else. Right now, keep in mind the indentation part. If you see here, this one, this one is for this if statement, then for this else statement. When I create another if, then it will give its own indent, this one. This else will also give its own indent, right? So we have covered nest if else, if else, and nested if else. Next video, we'll try to cover up about iterative statements. You have to make a program to check whether a given number is even or odd. Second program that you have to make is program to check whether a number is palindrome or not. Palindrome numbers are like 121. If you reverse the number, then you get the same number. Like 121, if you reverse it, you get 121 only. But if you try to reverse 4, 5, 8, 9, then you get 9854. This is not a palindrome number. Palindrome number could be like 45554. This will give me the same thing back again. So you have to check these two things using our conditional statements. Thank you.